If you're looking for a cheap pair of earbuds, the Skullcandy Dime might be just the earbuds you're looking for. With a small, almost AirPod-like design, they look pretty good. They're a rather comfortable fit and they have decent music quality. At under $40, they're definitely a solid value earbud for the price. But there's a difference between being good value and actually being good. And just because the earbuds are only worth $40 doesn't mean they're actually any use. So can they actually compete with other earbuds outside this price range? Well, I tried them out to find out, and let's get into the video. The Skullcandy Dime earbuds come with a surprisingly good build quality. They're made mostly from a solid plastic exterior that actually feels pretty durable, so they can withstand some accidental drops. They have a solid IPX4 water and sweat resistance rating, which makes them suitable for the gym and other outdoor use, although they're not to be submerged. Overall, I thought the fit was relatively comfortable and they didn't retain heat, but some of the components did start to feel uncomfortable over time. However, you get 3 pairs of ear tips to find an optimal size for different ears, and you can choose between the 4 different colors to match your aesthetic. You get a full set of controls that are divided between both buds. You can either press the bud once to play or pause, or answer a phone call. Double tapping each bud either raises or lowers the volume, and a 1-second press and hold either skips forward or backwards. You can also activate your phone's smart assistant with a triple touch. I appreciated the audible chimes that alert you when you've reached the maximum volume or connected a device, but I would have liked a button with more tactile feedback. They do support Siri and Google Assistant, and each of them have a built-in microphone that can pick up on your voice commands relatively accurately. I thought the microphone quality was actually okay, and my voice sounded a little bit thin. It has a subpar noise handling performance, and they struggle to separate my voice from ambient background noise, so it might not be as effective in louder environments. Here's a test.
This is a microphone test of the Skullcandy Dime earbud.
It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 compatibilities, which delivered a dependable drop-free wireless connection with a solid range of about 30 feet before stuttering kicked in. I appreciated the convenient audio connect feature, which instantly paired the buds and recognized devices whenever I powered them on. Unfortunately, they don't support multi-point pairing if you'd like to switch between audio sources, although this isn't expected given the budget-friendly price. I also noticed that they had a relatively high latency on PC and some Apple products, so they might not be suitable for streaming videos on non-Android devices. If you're enjoying this video and you learned something about the Skullcandy Dime, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out, and if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. I also thought the battery performance was somewhat subpar compared to the competitors. The modest 20 mAh battery capacity delivers only 3.5 hours of continuous playback, and this is significantly less than the VUNEX Sound Element's 5-hour runtime, and they take around an hour to completely charge. You also get the charging case with a 150 mAh battery that carries an additional 2.5 charges, and that provides around 12 hours of total playtime. But they lack the sleep mode to automatically preserve the battery, so it feels shorter than other earbuds. They allow for both stereo and mono use, and you can conveniently use one bud at the time while the other one charges simultaneously. I was actually impressed by the audio performance, and it uses a 6mm driver to deliver a warm and surprisingly bass-heavy sound profile. The bass accuracy is actually excellent, and it doesn't overpower the other frequencies or bloat the soundstage, and the frequency response range is consistent and impressive. I actually thought the mid-range presence was excellent, even though the treble is slightly underemphasized and it can lack some clarity. Vocals and lead instruments did ring through clearly. This also makes it suitable for a wide range of audio content, including podcasts. While I would have preferred a companion app with a customizable equalizer, this is a rarity for budget earbuds. And the Skullcandy Supreme sound signature sounds surprisingly solid. They also don't leak a lot of noise, so nearby people won't be disrupted by your audio in most environments. They lack active noise cancellation, and they do struggle to block out bass-heavy noise, which might not suit some commuters. But they do offer a satisfactory passive high-frequency noise cancellation. So are the Skullcandy Dime earbuds worth the sub $40 price tag? Absolutely. Are they actually worth buying? Well, considering the inexpensive price, I would say that if you liked what you heard and you're on a tight budget, then they're definitely worth the solid price. But there are some other options to consider in this price range. The VUNEX Sound Element Duo offers a better battery life and a higher water resistance rating, and it gives you a little bit more of a balanced soundstage. But they're about $20 more expensive, which is significant at this price range, and they have a smaller Bluetooth range. The Skullcandy Dime offers a solid audio performance and voice command compatibility, so if that's something you value, then you won't be disappointed with these earbuds. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all of the items mentioned, check out the description. If you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.